What's up, YouTube? Hello guys, and I am back with another video. It's your girl Amaria. In case you don't know, let's like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me your favorite color, guys. How are you doing today? Okay, it is December 11th, guys. Listen, December has already went by, almost. It's almost gone, and we are literally. It feels like it just started, but it's okay, guys, because we've been ready for 2020 to end since it began. So let's get with it. So, I know you guys probably looking at my arms. If you're not aware, I got in a car accident maybe like 2 months ago, and it's healing a lot better now. It's so itchy, like it's so itchy. But uh, let's get back on focus. Um, Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I use and reuse my lashes. If you're not aware, go to amariarene.com for all of your lash bundles, because why buy a pair of lashes and not get some lip gloss too, and get both of those for only $10. Come on now. And I'm about to show you guys how to reuse your lashes that you get from the site, or from any site, or from anybody. You can do this for any lashes that you buy, just because who wants to constantly spend the same exact money if you don't have to? You know what I mean? Obviously, it's not gonna last like forever, but you can use it maybe 2 or 3 times on the same pair. Why not? Save money. So people are probably gonna be mad at me because I'm like, you're gonna lose business. You're gonna lose business. Honestly, I want to help. I'm here to help you guys. I don't really care about. I care. Let me not say that, but I care more about helping you guys than I care about selling off a whole bunch of lashes when you guys can honestly use your lashes a couple times. Why not? I do it all the time, seriously. So, basically, I'm going to get into this video, guys. Don't forget to, like I said, subscribe. Alright, guys, so I do start by, you want to make sure that you do brush your lashes, because if you don't brush them, you're not going to get that nice style that you had when you first got them, okay? So I do use the mascara brush that came, and I separate them, okay? Because you want to make sure you don't want that clumpy look. That's not cute. And I did wet my lashes first, because if you don't wet them first, it's gonna be very hard, especially if you use them or you put mascara on your lashes. You want to make sure that you do it all the way, okay? So look at that difference between that and that. All right, so also as it dries, guys, it's gonna look way better, but as you can see, it's already, you can see the difference in these lashes. And like I said, you want to make sure that you do get all the glue off of the lashes. Be very careful because you do not want to mess them up, but still make sure you get any leftover excess glue that you may have on there from your old application off. Look, so that is it, guys, and I'm going to do the other one. Alright, guys, this is the finished results. Nice, right? Okay, time for reuse. Onesie, this is what I have on hand right now. This is one of the WAP onesies. This is not a long onesie. It stops at your knees for this specific WAP onesie. And then I do have the Netflix and chill onesies. Super, super cute, guys. And these are long. They stop at your ankles. They are the long sleeve, long onesies. And they currently, I have them starting from size medium. I think I have smalls as well. I think I may have like 2 smalls. But starting from medium to 2XL. Get in tune. Because why not? Listen. Get your onesies, guys. But let's get to this video. So, like I said, this is how I do my lashes.